Larry Bales has not made this report.
Right?
We're in new territory
I
today.
will try to fill in the best I can. Good morning, everyone. Yeah. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. And now to bring us kind of back down. No, and forgive me, I need these cheaters there. But you'll find the report for month to date and year to date on page 12, just real quickly to go over with you. In that first column there, it shows the month to date and where we're at as of the end of September. You can see the situation with the checkbook there. You can see the year-to-date receipts from churches, from the convention, other tithing, loan payments and such there at 76.9. You can see then down, if we drop down a little bit further, the expenses that we've had for the month so far through September and the expenses that we've had so far through this year, the total disbursements, and then a little information around our savings accounts and money market accounts, disaster relief, church planning, general savings, and money market, and then a little report on the Bear Heritage account. Any questions about that information? Okay, great. Let's take a little bit more closer look in detail around our financial position so far this year. And this first page here, page 13, is a report analysis, linear analysis on our income. The income from the churches, as you can see there, out on that far column in the year to date and the total down. Other sources of income from tithing, collecting the payments of loan payments, some help from the Southern Baptist Convention. Some other things there show you a total number of our other sources. And there at the bottom gives you a grand total. Right along the very bottom of the page there, Larry has put together a spread out of a 12-month look at what last year's spending plan projected the need to be for each particular month and year to date, and then also our status, how we've performed, where the income came in compared to the spending plan. Any questions about that? All right, great. Let's move on to page 14, which is a detailed analysis of our expenses year to date, month to month, and year to date. I draw your attention to those last two columns out there on the end that show the year totals, and then the spending plan for 2018, and kind of a comparison how we're performing so far this year up to that spending plan. I would call your attention to the red font there are situations or times where we needed to draw on our checking and savings account in order to make ends meet at the end of the month. Okay, that's why we see that there. You can see the breakout in terms of the accounts in our DOMS package there, and Ed's package is that first category. The second category are the expenses around the ministries. Down there at the bottom is administrative or operating expenses for operating the associational office and things of that nature. Any questions on those detailed expense reports? Fantastic. Next page. This is just a report out on the loan payments and the payback from Lighthouse. You see there that Faith has just recently received a loan from the association. That's at the bottom there. We will pay that back ASAP, right? Information about the loans or any questions about the loans? All right, cool. And then Larry puts together this nifty, colorful graph there that's pretty cool. That shows us a 12-month analysis of our income as compared to our expenses, and then the status of the checkbook. So as you can see there, blue is good. Red is our challenge. Green is good. You may have a question there in the last few months of the year, June, July, August, September, these last few months, how the checking account was actually drawn to a negative base, and Larry had to replenish that with funding from the savings account to help make ends meet there. Any questions about that? You got a question, Bruce? You're looking at, hey, okay. All right, then. That is the financial report year to date and through September. Do I make a motion to enter? No? Okay.
No, being that this comes from a committee, it does not need motioned and seconded. But it does need accepted by the community or the group. So all those in favor of accepting the financial report as presented, please signify by raising your cards. Opposed, same sign. All right.
Thank you, brother.
Missions, not missings.
Oh,
Okay.
hey, I didn't type this.